Studies and research supported by the Alzheimer's Society demonstrate that stem cell therapy is a promising approach to treating Alzheimer's disease. The medical community is seeing great promise in administering millions of umbilical cord-derived mesenchymal stem cells to repair brain damage caused by neurological conditions, including Alzheimer's, strokes, and other forms of dementia. What is Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer's disease is a chronic disease that progressively destroys memory and other mental functions needed for logical thinking, communication, and motor function. It's the most common cause of dementia, which is a group of conditions that impair brain functions such as judgment and memory. There's much debate as to what exactly causes Alzheimer's, but we know it's the result of changes in the brain that start years before symptoms become apparent and eventually destroy brain cells needed for daily function. In the United States, this neurological disease is the 7th leading cause of death.
A person with Alzheimer's can live for 4 to 8 years on average after being diagnosed. The majority of people diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease are 65 years of age and older. But early onset Alzheimer's can occur between 30 to 60 years of age.
There is no known cure for Alzheimer's, and its symptoms worsen over time and are severe enough to impair one's ability to complete daily tasks and to care for oneself independently. For this reason, additional treatments with stem cells are currently being developed to find effective treatments for this disease.
So how can stem cells be used to treat Alzheimer's disease?
Studies show that umbilical cord-derived stem cells can slow Alzheimer's progression and repair brain damage. It works because umbilical cord-derived mesenchymal stem cells can grow into new healthy brain cells, and thus repair brain damage, restore proper brain function, as well as slow down the progression of dementia.
From the spinal cord, these stem cells travel to the brain and begin creating new healthy brain cells, including neurons.
For the next 6 to 18 months, these new stem cells replace dying or damaged brain cells and tissue to restore synapses. Even more outstanding is the fact that a single stem cell treatment can provide improvement and delay progression of the disease for up to 3 years for early stages. That is why stem cells are becoming a viable and sought-after treatment for Alzheimer's disease. While stem cells do not cure Alzheimer's, the objective of this medical approach is to generate new healthy brain cells in large quantities fast enough to help slow progression of the disease and sustainably improve brain function in a way that traditional treatments have not been able to. Request a free virtual consultation with a medical specialist at StemLife Clinic to review medical history, lab results, MRIs, and determine eligibility for stem cell therapy for Alzheimer's disease.
Only at StemLifeClinic.com.